Doubt is not your enemy. Doubt is the roadmap which is going to be your scientific key to show you a breakthrough. As an emotional intelligence coach, I can show you a method which would help you to destroy you're not good enough, you cannot move forward, who do you think who you are, and you're not ready. All of these emotions for once and forever. So as an ICF coach and a former scientist, I can tell you that when you have doubt in your mind, it sounds like a danger to your body. And something is about to go wrong, as we all feel it. But is that the fact? It's not. But back in the day, unfamiliar, anything, something new means danger, right? But today, the unfamiliar means a new business pitch. It could be, right? A difficult conversation with a friend. And we are going to be learning all about letter by letter in the acronym of doubt. So stay with me. D. So D is all about disconnection. So there's a disconnection between you and your true self. Have you ever thought about it? So whenever you're having a lot of doubts in your daily life, you are showing a big disconnection between who you truly are and what you really want to become. You are not hearing the facts. You are not hearing what your true self wants to tell you. You are just overcoming the small doubts and moving ahead. For example, I had a client, let's call her Sarah, and she thought that she cannot be a good leader. Now, she had an evidence from the past where she had a failed projects. And then she started to build on it. She started to believe on it, right? She started to, whenever somebody comes across with a new project, she used to think in her mind or doubt in her mind that whether I can do it or not. So this happens to a lot of us. So the fact is, you keep repeating certain things which you don't want to do it in your life. That's where the doubt gets literally, I would say, it's seed in. So think about it whenever you're having doubt. O is all about overthinking. I believe that overthinking and doubt goes hand in hand, because when we start to overthink about a situation, which is leading us to doubt about it, which is leading us to worst case scenarios. So most of us who are overthinkers, what I have found, like around 40 to 54% scientifically, they always think the negative, they always think the worst case scenario. Now, it is when you start learning about letter by letter, what I want you to give up, like if you're overthinking a lot, that would help you to also work on your self-doubt most of the times. So what you need to say, I'll give you a very powerful sentence today or an affirmation. You say, thank you, brain, for making me self-doubt. But I'm not in danger, I'm in growth. I'm telling you, this powerful affirmation can change if you're feeling really overthinking around a doubt which has newly formed in your mind. Try it out. So next letter is very important. What is coming? It is U. U is all about your unmet potentials. I think most of us, I think 70 to 80% of us have gone through this unmet potentials. What does that really mean? So it means that when you see a pattern with the high achievers and they always have this low grade tensions going on in them, what really is signaling in their mind is they have an area in their brain, if I can put it in simple words, which still feels that this potential which they carry within themselves has been unmet. So this is what I call as unmet potential. And as a former scientist, I can tell you the data does not exist without an experiment. So the certainty of your achieving something in your life can only come with an action. So you can work on with this U part of it. That's why I call it as a very important letter as we move ahead. It's an unmet potential. Now, before I go ahead, please, if you like my videos and if I am helping you out with this signature acronym reframes of telling you all about emotions, please do subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share this video. Also, press the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading a new videos, you get it. Thank you. The next letter is B is belief. So I tell a lot of people that B are not set in stones kind of systems in your mind. They can be rewritten, but with the work. I don't want to give you any false hopes that you can write one day and your beliefs will be gone. No, there might be more beliefs coming out, right? So it is like somebody, one of my client, he had this, I have a precision to make, I would say the complex ideas very simple. So he was a strong belief, and I tell you what, he succeeded in his life because he started to form that belief and work with that belief during his work hours. So these are some of the examples, but they have to be worked along with other areas as well, or other beliefs if you're holding on to, right? So transformation trigger is one of the most important one I really want you to focus on. Now, trigger does not mean it's always a bad trigger, but trigger means that when you're afraid to do something which is coming towards you. Now, if you have a doubt and if you have a trigger along with it and you hold on to for, let's say, less than 24 hours, you have a stepping stone. But if you hold on to more than 24 hours, you are forming a wall around it. So it's going to become more stronger and more cemented. So remember that. So any trigger you have, work with it, or any doubt you have, work with it within 24 hours. So let me bring all this together. D.O.U.B.T, which is D is a disconnection with your truth. O stands for the overthinking, which is a protection from, not a punishment. U is your unmet potential, which you need to work on. P is the belief can be reformed and rewritten. T is the transformation trigger available right now for you to work within 24 hours. So the gap, what you have to do today is, if you want to bring your self-doubt to lowest level, that who you are today and what you really want to become. So write the letter of doubt. Are you ready to release today? Tell me below, and thank you for watching me.